Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to our online class. So in this class, we will find rank of a matrix by reducing into normal form. Okay. So it's a very important topic, ma. Earlier we discussed finding a rank of a matrix by reducing into echelon form, right? So now here in this class, we will learn finding a rank of a matrix by reducing into normal form. Normal form is nothing but what we have to do. We have to convert into unit matrix form. That means below the diagonal elements are 0 and above the diagonal elements are 0 we have to make. Now first what we have to do, see here. So first draw the diagonal, ma. In exam no need, I told you already, in exam no need to draw the diagonal. First only here for your understand purpose only I am drawing the diagonal. One second, let me now see here, what is our diagonal elements here? 1, 5, 2, 6 are our diagonal elements, ma. So we have to make below the diagonal elements are 0 and above the diagonal elements are 0. Whenever we are making below the diagonal elements are 0, we have to use only row operations. Which operations we have to use? Only row operations. Now see here, so these 3 and these 2 and these 6 places we have to make 0. Whenever we are making these 3 places 0, you have to use only R1. Then these 2 places 0, only R2. Then here only R3. First make these 3 places 0, ma. So R2 changes to R2 minus 2R1. R3 changes to R3 plus R1. R4 changes to R4 minus 2R1. These three are the operations. Correct? So what I get here? So see here, I am not changing anything to R1. It is as it is, ma. 1, 2, minus 2, 3. Then 2 minus 2, 0. 5 minus 4, 1. Minus 4 plus 6. Minus 4 plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. Then R3 plus R1. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. Minus 3 plus 2, minus 1. 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 2 plus 3, 1. Next, R4 minus 2 R1, ma. 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 4. Minus 1 plus 4. Then 6 minus 6, 0. So we made these 3 places are 0. Correct? Now what we have to do? So we have to make 0 these 2 places. Luckily here we got 0. Now here you have to make 0, ma. So what I get here? R3 changes to R3 plus R2. If you want to make 0 over here, you have to use only R2. So what I get here? 1, 2, minus 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, 0. 0 minus 1 plus 1, 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 0, 0, 3, 0. This is as it is. 1 plus 0 is what? 1. Correct? What happened now? These 2 places are got 0. Now here we have to make 0. To make 0, we have to use R3. But here there is no element, no. So what we have to do? You have to interchange this one. What we have to do, ma? We have to interchange. If I interchange, so what I get here? See, 1 second. Okay, now interchange here. So R4 interchange R3. So R4 interchange to R3. What I get here? 1, 2, minus 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, 0. So this will come to R3, ma. 0, 0, 3, 0. Then 0, 0, 0, 1. Now see here. So below the diagonal, all are we completed 0. Below the diagonal, all are we completed zeros, right? Now what we have to do? We have to make above the diagonal elements are 0. What we have to do, ma? We have to make above the diagonal elements are zeros. So to make above the diagonal elements are 0, so what we have to do? We have to do column operations. Which operations we have to perform, ma? We have to perform column operations, right? So now these 3 places we have to make 0. If you want to make these 3 places 0, this is C1, C2, C3 and C4, you have to use C1 only. Whenever you want to make these 2 places 0, C2. Whenever you want to make 0 over here, you have to use C3, ma. So first make these 3 places 0. So what I get here? C2 changes to C2 minus 2C1. C3 changes to C3 plus 2C1. C4 changes to C4 minus 3C1. C4 minus 3C1. Okay. Okay. Now see here. So what I get here? column. First, whenever we are doing column operations, write the column. That C2 minus 2C1, 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is how much? 0. Then 1, 0, 0. Then C3 plus 2C1, minus 2 plus 2, 0, 0. And 3, 0. C4 minus 3C1, 3 minus 3, 0. And 0 minus 0, 0, 0, 1. Right? So above the diagonal elements all are zeros. Now diagonal elements should be 1, no? So here we have 3. So what we have to do? C3 changes to C3 by 3. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3 by 3, 0, 0, 0, 1. So we convert it into unit matrix. So what is rank of A? So rank of A is equal to how much, ma? 4. 4 non-zero rows are there. So rank of matrix is how much? 4. So like that, you have to perform the row operations and column operations to convert a given matrix into echelon form. Convert given matrix into echelon form. Clear? Okay. So we'll see the another problem, so you will understand more clearly. Now see here. So find rank of a matrix by converting into normal form. So this is the matrix. So first what we have to do? We have to convert below the diagonal elements are 0 and above the diagonal elements are 0. Then we have to make diagonal elements all are 1. Now see the first operation. What is the first operation? So draw the diagonal here. So this is the first row, first element, second row, second element, third row, third element, fourth row, fourth element. Now the 6 places you have to make 0, right? So to make these 6 places 0, first we have to use row operations below the row. So now these 3 places 0 R2 changes to R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1. R3 changes to R3 minus 2R1, correct? R4 changes to R4 minus 3R1. So these 3 are the operations, correct? Now see the matrix, what we get? We are not changing anything to R1, it is as it is, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then 1 minus 1, 0, 3 minus 2, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 2. R3 minus 2R1 2 minus 2, 0, 4 minus 4, 3 minus 2 1s are 2, 1, 4 minus 4, 0. R4 minus 3R1, 3 minus 3, 0, 7 minus 6, 5 minus 3, 6 minus 6. Correct? 7 minus 6 is how much? 1. 0, 1, 2, 0. So this is the changed matrix. Now these 3 places got 0. Now you have to make these 2 places 0. Luckily here we got 0. So no need to make 0. Now here you have to make 0. Whenever you are making these 2 places 0, you have to use only R2. So R4 changes to R4 minus R2. So what I get here? 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Next 0, 1, 1, 0. 0, 0, 1, 0. 0, 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 1 and 0. Okay. So next where we have to make 0? Here we have to make 0. So last row R4 changes to R4 minus R3. So what I get here? 1, 2, 1, 2. 0, 1, 1, 0. Then 0, 0, 1, 0. 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 1 and 0. Correct? So we completed the below the diagonal elements all are zeros. Now what we have to do? We have to make above the diagonal elements are 0. So how to make above the diagonal elements are 0? By using column operations. By using column operations. So first these 3 places we have to make 0. So C2 changes to C2 minus 2C1. C3 changes to C3 minus C1. C4 changes to C4 minus 2C1. So 1, 0, 0, 0. So 2 minus 2, 0, 1, 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. Correct? So above the diagonal. Next, where we have to make 0? Here. So there is one element. So use C2. So C3 changes to C3 minus C2. So what I get here? 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0, 0. 0 minus 0. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 0. 0, 0, 0. Correct? So it's nothing but I3. Correct, ma? 3 non-zero rows. I3, 0, 0. So rank of A is how much? 3. Rank of A is how much, ma? 3. Understand? So like this, you have to convert the given matrix into normal form by making below the diagonal element 0, above the diagonal elements are 0, and diagonal elements all are 1. Very important, ma. He will ask you normal form also. So generally, it is not, sometimes it will come, sometimes it won't come. If you ask you for a short answer, find a rank, just you convert into echelon form. Till here, then you can stop it. If you ask you normal form, especially for long answer, 7 marks, 5 marks, then you have to do full. Okay, fine. We'll continue in the next class, ma. Thank you.